Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a kitchen tool haul kind of thing. So stick with me and I'll show you what I got from Walmart. See you in a bit. Hey guys, alright, so we went to Walmart and I decided to get the Skimmer, which is basically a spider basket that you can use for like fried foods or anything else like that. You can also use it for skimming the foam off of the water when you do potatoes and stuff like that. And this one is just a 14-inch skimmer, so from top to bottom it's 14 inches. And they come in different colored handles. I ended up getting these two different strainers, mesh strainers. My husband liked the red handle, and I liked this kind of green handle, blue handle. Not sure what color it is exactly, but it's pretty. We have some colanders that we also got from the Pioneer Woman, and we've been using those for a few years now, and they haven't let us down, so we decided to keep with her line. They were also a lot cheaper, so that made it a little easier to choose. But these both are 7-inch diameter sifters, strainers, however you want to kind of use them as. I'm going to use them as sifters for flour and stuff, because I'm going to be making like pastries and whatnot for the holidays. I have this rainbowed dough scraper or bench scraper. I don't remember how much this was exactly, but I don't think it was too much. And it's pretty cool. It's got this hollow curled handle. It fits well in the hand. It's got a little bit of flex to it, but you really gotta like push down. I don't want to push on this. It's not exactly sturdiest. And then for the Pioneer Woman, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you kind of can see it a little bit in the video here. But it's got flowers and different measurements. Let's see if I can't turn this light off to help. Oh yeah, a lot better. As you can see, different measurements on the sides. It's got a little detailed flowering. It's really pretty. It goes from 1 to 7 centimeters or 1 to 5 inches. I would say 6 if you go from tip to tip. Maybe almost 6.5 from tip to tip if you wanted to really squeeze that in there. But from this here, I would say no more than maybe 7.5 centimeters, and that's kind of pushing it as far as that goes. But this is really nice. This has a little bit more give to it when you push down on it. It's really hard to kind of explain that by just bending it, but these are meant to have force on them and to scrape the sticky dough off of your bench. There's nothing on the back. This handle is a lot nicer. It's got kind of a, not gel, but like a silicone feel to it, so it almost has a gel-like grip. So these are the different things that my husband got for me when we went there, because I'd asked if we could go. And we got like a bunch of other stuff, like from Home Depot and stuff like that as well, so that's kind of why I asked. But yeah. So hopefully, if I can ever find the time to do it, I will do a video on sweet rolls and cinnamon rolls here soon. And hopefully I can have that posted up as well. My husband did do a video on this on his channel, so hopefully you guys can go watch his channel as well and help support him, because he's a very big supporter of mine. So if you guys could like, comment, and subscribe, and any other new options that are out there for the videos, that'd be very appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. I didn't want this to be a super long video, so this is just a kind of quick, like, what I got. Just a real quick for these were roughly like $9 if you round it up. This one was about $8 if you round it up, so it was like $7.43 for this specifically, and then this was 8 something. I don't remember exactly what the change was. Like I said, I forgot what the price of these were, but I don't remember them being super expensive. They're really affordable, so they'd be real easy for anybody to just pick up. And I think Walmart still has them right now. But you can always go to an actual restaurant store and pick any of these items up. They just won't be these specific items because these are only at Walmart as far as I'm aware. But if you guys have used any of these, and if you guys have had any experience with any of these, just go ahead and feel free and put that down in the comments and, you know, have a conversation about these tools and what you use them for. So, thanks for sticking around, and if you made it to this far, I will see you guys on the next video. And like I said before, like, comment, subscribe to see more videos. Oh, and the bell notification. Keep forgetting about that. Click that thing. Bye guys.